Hey guys, I'm having the weirdest day filming. This is like my third attempt today trying to get this to work, so let's hope for the best. Okay, so this video is going to be my summer favorites. I'm going to talk about all the products, books, music, etc. stuff that I've been loving this summer. Summer is like over and I'm really sad about it, but I actually really love fall, so I'm excited for that. Before I get too off track, I am going to get into it. So of course I'm going to start with my products and then move on to the miscellaneous items. As always, all the products I buy are cruelty-free to the best of my knowledge, so just so you know that. Alright, if you are interested in watching that, go ahead and keep watching. But the first product that I've been loving, and I've actually mentioned this in several videos, but it is the Marula oil, and this is hands down my favorite hair oil. I use it as a leave-in conditioner, like shine, serum, all that goodness. I really love Marula oil. One, because it doesn't have a scent, it's very fragrance free, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling too greasy or over like oiled. Like if I put it in my hair, it doesn't look like I just doused myself in oil. It just makes it look shinier and healthier. So that is why Marula oil has been my favorite hair oil this summer and probably forever too. Okay. Next product is a body butter, and this is by Andalou Naturals. It is their Kooky Coca body butter. It smells amazing. Smells very light, but also just very sweet and kind of hints of chocolate. It's really thick also, so it's really hydrating, and I've just been loving this recently. It just smells so good. So something that happens to me a lot as an athlete, and especially this happens during the summer because I get a little more sweaty when it is hot out, is chafing. And if you guys have ever had to deal with chafing, it can be a really painful experience and really not fun at all. So something I've been using both before and after running, like usually for me I chafe like under my arms and sometimes like right between my legs. If this happens to you and you don't know what to do about it, try this. This is the Alba Botanica Unpetroleum Jelly. So it is an alternative to Vaseline and petrol based products. The ingredients are castor seed oil, coconut oil, beeswax, castor oil, hydrogenated castor oil, and then vitamin E derivatives. So it's really good, it has pretty good ingredients, and I love this. This has saved my life this summer and saved my armpits and legs from chafing. So if you're interested in a product like that, please try this one. It's really good. Okay, so the last product I've been loving this summer is a skin item. And I don't know if you guys have heard this before. I've never mentioned this in a video actually. It is this Solvrin Silver homeopathic gel. It's an antibacterial serum that I put on my skin to help prevent breakouts and other like skin infections. So I've been really liking this because it is super light. There's absolutely no stinging. It absorbs into your skin really fast. It's just really painless and easy, and it works really well. I've been really loving this. I literally have gone through bottles and bottles of this just because I've been using it so much, and it just let me see if I can do an example. So just put it on. It's completely clear and it just like goes on your skin like water essentially. It is really good stuff. And I know you can get this online. I get it at my health food store and they have it, like something like Whole Foods would probably have it. Super Supplements has it, I know. So that has been my skincare favorite this summer for sure. So moving on to unbeauty related items. The first item is like a food or drink thing, and recently this summer I've been all over mixing water with lemon. Just squeezing a little bit of lemon into the water, adding some ice cubes, and it's just really good and hydrating. I really love this because it's super alkalizing in your body, and It's really good for, seriously, sometimes I just crave it because I feel like my body is asking for it. I don't really know. It's just really cleansing and really alkalizing, and I love the effect that I feel when I drink it. So lemon water has been my go-to this summer for keeping cool and also just keeping clean on the inside. So one thing that I've been so excited about, actually for Father's Day, my family and I split this item. I paid for half of it, they paid for the other half, and we are sharing it. It is a GoPro. Oh my gosh, I've been having so much fun with this summer. We've taken it hiking, backpacking, I said that already. Camping, everything. It's been amazing. We have the Hero 4 Silver and it has a little screen on the back. I really love this. I've taken some really fun shots on it. It's been a really great item to have, and I want to be able to use it through fall and winter, like especially if I go do more outside activities like go skiing and stuff. Okay, this next one, hopefully this is not TMI for any of you guys, but there are these bralettes that I've been loving. If you don't know what a bralette is, it's basically just like a light, loose, more breezy and comfortable feel than a bra, and I've been loving them just out of comfort. I just love how like I feel in them. So recently I bought 2 from Urban Outfitters actually, and I was really surprised to find they had affordable ones there. They're really, really pretty and just super comfortable. I think one was $16, the other one was $18, but I'll like insert images of them here. They're really pretty. So for music this summer, I've been going crazy over Vance Joy. I don't know if you guys have heard of him, I'm sure you have, but he is amazing. I love all of his music. I've been like downloading all of his songs. They're so good. He's so good. I actually got a chance to see him live this summer, which was so fun. He's really, really good live. And my favorite song probably from his album is From Afar. I really love the music video too. I'll put it down below if you guys are interested. It's really good stuff. Okay, so the last item has been my favorite book of the summer. I've gotten a chance to read quite a few books, but this one just kind of stuck out as something that I know I'll read over and over again, and something that has made an impact on the way I live my life. The author is Eckhart Tolle. The first book he wrote was The Power of Now, and the second book he wrote, which I just finished, is called A New Earth: Awakening to Your Life's Purpose. And it is really good. I like to like put little sticky notes on pages that I like feel like really resonate with me or I really like at the time, and so it's just really good. Like I worked through this book really slowly just because I was trying to it was kind of hard for me to like absorb it all. If you guys are interested in kind of, I guess, spirituality, but not even just spirituality, just like living a good life in like your everyday life and in the present moment and being happy and having good relationships, I really recommend his books. They're really, really great. He's a really great writer and also just really like a great person from what he's saying. And so one of my friends has the first book, and actually I gave this book to my dad to read and he loves it. He loves this book. And also Oprah loves this book. See? Had a really busy schedule this past like 2 or 3 weeks, and I am just getting down to be able to film a video for you guys. Feels really good to talk to you and to share stuff I've been loving, and I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, well that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I will be seeing you guys very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye.